Welcome back to TechCrumbs. Today we're going to show you how to make a phone call with the OnePlus Nord N100. So first thing, phone little app here. If you don't have any contacts, you need to know the phone number, obviously. But let's say we want to go here and we want to call somebody. So we're going to go ahead and go into the number dial here. And here we can call any number. So 00358, 50, 1177, and something like that. And we can call. And that would be a way to call somebody. So that's how you call, and you saw I hung up, and that is basically the way you do it. If there's a number that you want to save, you can just hold for a little while and you can copy the number. You can edit the number if you made a mistake, which is very annoying, or you can literally just go ahead and call it again. So if you press again, it would go ahead and I can add contact this or just call. I can press the call them again, and that's it. So yeah, that's how you make a call on the OnePlus Nord N100. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.